Hi guys, welcome back to Nutrition Tips with me. Today I'm talking about the foundation to a realistic healthy eating habit. Now, if you want to form a healthy eating habit, there are basic things you need to know so you can implement in your day-to-day meal preparations. And the main three things you need to know are knowing your macros, learning how to balance your meals, and then learning portion control. You might not really be into portion control, but it's very important because eating the right food in the wrong amount can also be harmful to your body. Now let's get into it. Know your macros. What are your macros? Your macros are the three main ingredients that your body needs in large quantities. Now the first nutrient is carbohydrates, there's protein and there's fat. The main function of carbohydrates is keeping the body energized, like it's the main source of energy giving. The main functions of proteins are cell repairing, cell regeneration, repairing of tissues, keeping you feeling fuller. Now, protein can also support with energy giving when there's no enough carbohydrates to do that. Then there is fats. Fat is very good for your brain health, for your hormones. Fats are very important for absorption of vitamins. Every other nutrient, especially minerals and vitamins, are nutrients that your body needs in smaller quantities. I threw more light on this in other videos I made specifically on vitamins and minerals, but these are the three major nutrients that your body needs in large quantities. Now let's talk about balance. How do you achieve or attain balance in your daily eating? It simply means you shouldn't be eating only one major food. Like, you shouldn't be having only one macro on your plate. Like, you should have a combination of protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. For instance, you want to eat a rice dish. Eating just rice alone doesn't balance it because you're just eating carbs. There's no protein, there's no fat and stuff like that. So if you're eating rice, there should be a source of protein, there should be a source of healthy fats, and there should be a source of mineral and vitamin. Like, a very basic and realistic example of everything is when you're eating rice, you can accompany it with egg, with any other form of protein like fish, chicken, turkey, any form of protein that you like and you are not allergic to, for a good source of balance. Then healthy fats, we have avocado, we have olive oil, we have nuts and other sources of healthy fats that you can also make research. I made mention of some examples in the previous video I made on healthy fats. Then let's go into your minerals and vitamins. Simply adding vegetables, as simple as adding carrots, cabbage, green beans, green peas. Any of these vegetables would help to balance your plate and then contribute positively to your nutritional and healthy balanced eating. So the last on this one is portion control. Learning portion control. Now, I don't expect you to actually carry a scale to weigh each meal you're going to prepare or consume, but I learned a very simple way everybody can measure portion control, and portion size will vary from age, from size, from gender, because we don't all eat the same. My own portion control and a younger person's portion control will not be the same. My own portion control and someone smaller or larger than me in size, it's not going to be the same, but it's all control for everybody depending on their body build, on their food intake requirements and other factors. But here's a simple way to balance or check your portion control. Now I'm going to be using my hands to make this demonstration because my hands fit for my own portion control. Your own hands should fit for your own portion size control. Now, when you're eating or when you're measuring your protein should not be bigger than the size of your palm. When you open your palm like this, you can eat a protein. Sorry, I can eat protein that is as large as my hand. But if it exceeds the size of my palm open like this, I know that I'm going over my portion for that day or for that particular meal, and then in the long run it's going to cause a problem for me. Now, when I'm measuring my fats, I can use the size of my thumb. It can be the size of my thumb, but it shouldn't be more. If it's too much, it's going to build up another problem for me somewhere else. Now, when I'm measuring my carbohydrates, like my rice portion, I can use the size of my fist. When I make a fist and I make a measurement, like Is it more than, I can have a bowl that fits here, so I can know that, oh, this is the portion that is perfect for me per serving. If it begins to exceed this per serving, then I know that I'm eating above portion per time, because even your body needs a break. Like, you can't just be eating. I've mentioned this in a previous video, because you need your body to rest, you need your body to absorb what you've eaten, digest properly before you ingest again. Lastly, for your vegetables and fruits and blah, you can use 2 hands full and turn into a bowl. So you can get a bowl that match a handful and then just use it for your portion control. Remember, this information is strictly for people who want to realistically imbibe healthy eating habits, who want to attain a good gut health. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with another one. Bye.